Checking your account balance at Woodforest Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the Woodforest Bank website. Go to the official Woodforest Bank website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Log into your online banking account. Click on the login button located on the homepage. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to account summary. Once logged in, look for the account summary or account section on the dashboard. Click on it to view your account details. Step 4. Select the account you want to check. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRook to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your online banking account to keep your information secure. Look for the logout option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Woodforest Bank. Remember to keep your login information private for your security.